Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me again. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my new art studio. I moved across the street and this is such a beautiful light and serene space, and today I'm gonna film my first video here. Super excited, and if you want to see more of the studio, then please let me know in the comments and then maybe I will give you guys a tour. But today I'm gonna do something super special because I thought, new art studio, I need to do something new here. Super interesting because I have tested out this like 100 times and I think I got it right. First, I will create a gradient background on this canvas with my acrylic spray cans. And after that, I will pour a transparent base on top of it, create a bloom or a Dutch pour, and then the base needs to dry transparent. So we are left with this beautiful gradient background. Super interesting, so let's start with the base here. Alright, so I have 3 spray cans here, 3 colors, and I love these colors together. They're already shaked, so they're ready to go, but first mostly I test it out. Yeah, alright. So this is a turquoise green light, and that's a beautiful color, isn't it? Then I have a Venetian rose light. Let's go here. Yeah, I love these colors together. And then I'm gonna go in with a yellow. This is Owatrol Yellow Medium. I will spray that here and go back a little bit to blend it here with the green and with the Venetian rose. Alright, so I do have some dots, that's okay. But I love how the yellow with this Venetian rose creates a little bit of an orange shade here, and here a little bit of the green. Okay, I think this is a beautiful blend of color. And just a little bit more of the pink. And then I'm gonna let this dry and start with the pour. Alright, yeah, this base is done. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here we go. How interesting is this really? So I've mixed a transparent base, but I've also poured some iridescent medium to it, so it will dry transparent with a soft white glow to it, or at least that's the idea. So if this works out, then of course I will show you the mixture of my transparent color in the description, but I'm still in the test mode. But how great would it be if the first painting in the studio is success? So here we go, pouring the transparent base. And so this looks milky, right? So we can only see the end result when it's dry. I'm just gonna spread this out over the full canvas. And of course the base was dry. It's not, it wasn't wet anymore. It's a couple hours later. So I've thought long and hard about the colors, but I feel like keeping it super simple because the background needs to be the most interesting part of this painting. So I'm just using gold and a paint spray. I think it's spread quite even. But I think I will spin it out as well. Okay, I am gonna start with gold here. Quite a lot. Then just a little bit of the paint spray, then gold again, and some of the paints gray. A lot of gold. So I will just do like the base is normal paint here. It's not, it's only medium. So I will pour this around the bottle so I can let everything flow. Just like that. And then I'm gonna blow that out. So this is gonna be interesting because I have one try. I can't be scraping this canvas. So here we go. I must say this is really responding like how paint would do it, right? I do want to blow out here as well. There's enough to do that. Alright. I think this looks so cool. This is really looking cool. Oh guys, this blowout is amazing as well. Only thing is I'm worried here how that will dry, and here as well. But this blowout is gorgeous. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna just torch a little bit here in the middle, spin it lightly, and then I think I'm just gonna leave this and really hope this is gonna dry transparent and nice with the background, because in here, you know, it's not white, it will dry transparent as well, so that must be super interesting. And maybe the colors on top of these colors are not working at all. I'm just really mind blown here that this blowout is working like paint on the background. There's no paint at all. I'm now quite worried, you know, because the mixture of the transparent medium has that iridescent in it. But that creates a shade of sort of pearl white on top of it. And of course here in the middle there's a lot more of that transparent color. So you see here you can see already the transparency, but then in the middle it's not. So then the background won't dry evenly. So that's the only thing I'm worried right now. But you know, I'm just gonna let this dry and see how it's turning out. I'm super excited for this. Okay, I'm gonna bring you up for the dried result. Whoa, just look how this dried. Exactly what I had in mind. We see perfectly the background gradient in those petals. Wow, this is such a surprise. And also the Dutch pour on top of it, it's really intact. Nothing changed really, except for the background to dry transparent. Wow, I love this concept. So I plan to do quite a lot more of these kind of paintings, and I will be calling this Reveal, because these paintings are revealing their true colors when they're ready. I would love to hear what you think about this concept and this first painting that worked out like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.